Did you know that eggs are actually correlated to cancer? Hi, my name is Regitze Simonsen. I have a Bachelor of Science degree in nursing and I've been vegan for over 25 years and I've been studying vegan nutrition for just as long. But let's jump into it. Did you know that eggs and cancer are closely related? Actually, it comes down to the microbiome. So we have these bacteria in our gut. And we actually have more bacteria in our gut than we have human cells in our entire body. Actually, only 10% of the DNA in our entire body is human. The rest, 90%, is actually DNA from all the bacteria that we carry both inside our gut but also on the outside. So our food that we eat is seen as a foreign object, and it is then filtered through this bacteria filter that we have in our gut before it's taken into our system. But when we eat meat, dairy, eggs, and fish, this bacteria converts choline and carnitine to something called TMA, trimethylamine, which is oxidized to TMAO. And this TMAO is causing inflammation and the buildup of plaque and highly increases the risk of a heart attack and stroke as well as cancer. And we have known about this for over 40 years, even though it's not widely known because the meat, dairy, egg industry is making research that proves otherwise. They are manipulating research that proves that their products are healthy. But the trimethylamine then can form nitrosamines, and those nitrosamines, those are the ones that can cause cancer. And like I said, choline comes from meat, dairy, eggs, and also refined grain. That is things like bread is made from refined grain. And for children, for instance, just due to the industrial pollutants, PCB in meat, they should actually not be served more than 5 servings of meat per month. So back to cancer and eggs. Over 25 studies has shown that there's a close correlation between the consumption of eggs and the development of especially colorectal cancer. But it also showed a correlation between breast cancer and prostate cancer. Eggs especially accelerates the growth of cancer. But the thing is that we actually produce cancer cells every single day in our body, but 99% of them are killed by our immune system. But when we consume food that accelerate that cancer growth, then more cancer cells that are formed, they get a chance to manifest in our body. Because cancer cells is just our normal cells that have that lost the ability to stop dividing. They're dividing unlimited, whereas normal cells, they only divide as much as they're supposed to. They follow this DNA pattern that they have. They divide how they're supposed to, whereas a cancer cell, it got some kind of mutation that does that it develops or divides unlimited. So you produce this bacteria causing cancer, or this bacteria that can cause cancer. But if you eat a plant-based diet for a while, then you lose that bacteria. So even if you eat meat once, you won't form this bacteria that causes cancer. But if you eat it more than once, then it starts to develop that kind of bacteria again. Because our gut bacteria is formed from what we eat. So we develop that kind of bacteria that can break down the kind of food that we eat. So I hope this was helpful. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll also put in the description a link to all the studies that supports all this. And thank you so much to nutritionfacts.org and Dr. Michael Greger, who is behind all this, not all the research, but he also talks about all this research and makes it available to the public. So thank you so much for watching. Please give me a like if you like it, and subscribe for more, and share it with friends and family, and take care of yourself. Bye.